Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back to our kitchen.
We are cooking today dirty rice. Actually, it's going to be like a rice dressing, but I'm going to get it dirty and I'm going to show you how to do it.
So let's get down and dirty, people.
Okay, guys, so let's just talk about our ingredients. So I have rice that I cooked yesterday. I suggest that you cook just day-old rice and do not overcook it. Actually, you can leave it a little bit undercooked, and I always suggest jasmine rice. I have a half a pound of pork sausage, a half a pound of beef. I have some things Hubby cut up here for me, which are the veggies and our seasoning. We have some bell pepper.
I have a bell pepper.
You can put that right here, babe. And we also have some red pepper right here. Okay.
Some green onions, spring onions, whatever you want to call it.
And some celery. Okay. So, and we'll talk about our seasonings once we kind of get everything going. Okay, so we're going to go ahead on and start with our pork and beef. Get that fried up. How y'all day going today? I hope it's going good.
You want me to chop that up?
Yeah. So what Hubby's doing, we're going to go ahead on and get the meat broken up, chopped up. And we're not going to cook it all by itself first, right? We're actually going to cook it with the veggies. Not something else that might be working better, babe.
No, I'm not just spicy.
This is my little handy meat chopper. This works so good, guys. So, but you know what? Hubby like he got it. And you know what? I really probably won't use this because that is a hot iron and it's, silicone. I don't know. But Hubby's doing a good job, so I'm not gonna worry about it. So while he's halfway, the meat is halfway done, we just go ahead on and start with our celery. Bell pepper, our red pepper, and get that cooked on down. Smells good.
That red pepper does kick it out.
Okay, I think Hubby got a Cajun red pepper in here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I thought it was a red bell pepper. Okay, guys,
No,
we got a Cajun. I'm feeling it over here.
that's Louisiana style. Okay?
Woo.
You can leave that out if you want, but
A red bell pepper will be fine. Okay, good job, baby. You did that. All right. So as that continue to cook and just kind of cook down a little bit, we're gonna add our last thing, and I just kind of save it for last, and that's our green onions. Okay. So. So you see how we added our seasoning to the beef and the sausage. The only seasons we need after that is going to be a good Creole or Cajun seasoning. I'm going to use the Paul Magic Seasoning Salt. And I have some sage here. I already put it right here. So I'm just letting you know I use some rubbed sage. And I do have about a tablespoon of flour. Alright guys, so now we are ready to move on to the next step. And that is add our rice. And I think I have about a good, is that 2.5 cups, babe? Or what you think? Of rice?
Yeah.
Or 3?
It's a pot of rice.
Can we just kind of add a little bit at a time, babe? Okay, just gonna go down and get our rice in here.
Scoop some more around
Yeah.
here. Some people like more rice and meat, and some people like more meat than rice.
I like it to be a nice combination.
I like a lot of rice myself.
Yeah, a nice blend of it.
That's based on your taste though. How much rice you want to add.
Alright.
You gonna dirty it up?
Yeah, I'm gonna get it good and dirty in just a moment. So, normally, you know, we get our rice good and dirty. It is some minced meat, mainly a lot of liver, sometimes gizzards, but the pork and the beef will do. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add my sage. Not all of it, just a little bit. Just kind of wait a minute. And I'm going to add my seasoning. This is to taste. Okay, so you know how I season. I go straight across. Remember, we have pork in here, so it has some flavor, a little salt already.
Yeah, we have the pork sausage. Yeah.
Yes. So our hubby is getting that nice and stirred up. Getting that rice get nice and brown from the bottom down there. Baby, that's on point. I don't know how to do that. Just that simple. Okay. I can add the rest of the sage in there. Just making sure it wasn't too much. I don't think you ever have too much sage. Okay. So another thing that I might put in here to step it up a little bit is some garlic powder.
Oregano.
And hubby loves his oregano. You know what? I do have something I got when I was in the booth. Babe, you want to reach up here and get it for me? No, you don't want that? Okay.
No.
So you want the parsley or just oregano?
Oregano.
Okay. So hubby loves his oregano, which is really good in a lot of our dishes. You can see it's almost empty. So that's that. That's the end of that. And I'm just going to put a little bit of garlic powder on it. Yeah, it's really good and brown. You can stop right here. How y'all like that?
That looks good.
That looks good, right? So, this is, to me, it's done. I don't have to dirty it up. It's dirty because he scrubbed it where it got the rice got a little brown from the bottom. You can turn it off too. And we don't want to overcook it. But if your rice is white, you're not yielding much. You're not yielding much of the oil from your meat and everything. Just you can always sprinkle on top a little bit of flour, and it's gonna actually cling and to the rice, and it's gonna turn brown. So the more you cook it, it'll turn brown. But in our case, that's it. Nothing else needs to be done, guys. May I present to you Louisiana style dirty rice. Okay.
Enjoy. You know what this would be good with? A stuffed turkey leg.
I'll stuff it for you, boo-boo. No popcorn. Yes.
So let's do that.
Okay. Okay, guys. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Peace and long life.